Hi, I'm Eric Ludwig, co-founder of risetechadvisors. Thanks for watching. As we continue to preview our dynamic matrices, we're going to talk specifically today about contact center as a service. Now you can see that there are all sorts of other matrices, some of which we've already highlighted, many of which we won't because there are so many. But specifically, contact center has become a conversation point for many clients and is super complicated in terms of how clients make decisions and how they down select. Here's a representative example of the analyst who's who of contact center suppliers on the right. You might see some niche suppliers as well. We'll get into maybe some of those folks like Anywhere 365 who integrate specifically for Microsoft, and then a few others as well. As our dynamic matrices work, we've got a set of inputs and output criteria, opportunity criteria that will flow to our output, which is our actual matrix. So we look at things like data center locations. So are you in Europe? Are you in Asia? Are you in the East Coast of the US, West Coast? How do you want to connect to these suppliers? Outbound dialer is really important for clients that are doing outbound dialing. They're running campaigns where they're actually trying to reach clients, and how do they want to integrate that with whatever system they may have? Digital channels, these are really important. Digital has become the primary focus of many folks in the contact center. We would argue digital first, voice second, as kind of adoption needs are changing in terms of how the customer experience works. Social channels as well. These are the ways you can get to folks where they want to meet you rather than where you want to meet them. So if they're tweeting or if they're on LinkedIn or if they're using another channel, you'll know what they're saying. You'll be able to respond directly in that channel. Cloud app integrations. These are really important for clients both in public and private and in healthcare. You'll see Epic there, where we can actually build integration directly from your contact center into whatever pre-built application that you may be using as your kind of going forward application. The last couple ones here, AI. AI is huge. If you haven't, check out the blog series I wrote on evolution of the contact center. This is a way for you to deflect and utilize technology to limit the amount of penetration all the way through to your agents. It gives your clients the ability to self-service, answer some easy questions, maybe even get to the point where they prefer that as a channel of communication. And then lastly is compliance, again, alphabet soup based upon clients who may be operating in a highly regulated component. These last ones on the bottom are important for some clients. Bring your own carrier is important if you have an existing agreement. Folks are looking for CRM in some instances where they may not have one, particularly smaller contact centers. And then lastly, you've got workforce optimization, workforce management. Those are really important to help optimize the people and the financial implication of having folks sitting on a bench, maybe not answering calls. So we're looking at tracking that a little bit as well. So through these, we can down select based upon clicking or not clicking. And we're going to run to generate the matrix. You can see here, like other matrices, we've got the supplier community on the top. We've got the criteria that we selected on the left. It's all here because I didn't select anything specific. I wanted to be able to demonstrate for you how it looks if you leave everything blank. And you can see there's a whole lot of information that we can print to PDF and we can share within your organization. We can also take particular suppliers and we can remove them from this view as well. Like Unifor, for example, we can remove them. They're now on the bottom with the other folks we removed in the beginning. Typically, our clients are looking to engage in a broader contact center conversation. For those of you that may have already made the jump into contact center as a service and are looking at ways to optimize perhaps what you already have for things like natural language processing, for things like making it sound quiet when you have 800 people sitting in a call center, for really deep AI and analytics, we have more detail on those, but we don't have those represented here in this dynamic matrix. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to customize this for you based upon your criteria. Thanks for watching.